Third sum, the same exercise 3.7, given x plus y plus z is equal to xyz, to prove 2x by 1 minus x square plus 2y by 1 minus y square plus 2z by 1 minus z square equal to 2x. These are addition. The same value are also present here, the same value. But this addition, this is multiplication, that only we need to prove. So that we need to take an important note in page number 108. In page number 108, they given an important note. What is the note here? If a plus b plus c is equal to 0 or pi, you can take 0 or pi. If you're going to angle these three angles, a plus b plus c, if you're going to add these three angles, pi or 0, and tan a plus b plus c equals 0, then we can get tan a plus b plus c equals 0, which implies tan a plus tan b plus tan c is equal to tan a tan b tan c. Tan a plus tan b plus tan c is equal to tan a tan b plus tan c. If you're going to add equals 0, then we can write tan a plus b plus c, because taking tan on here, you can take tan on both sides. Tan a plus b plus c, tan of a plus b plus c is equal to tan pi. Tan pi is 0. So tan a plus, if I want, I can prove here. A plus b plus c is equal to 0. No, take tan on both sides. Tan a plus b plus c is equal to tan 0. Tan a plus b plus c, what tan 0 is nothing but 0. This is given here. Tan a plus b plus c is equal to 0. If it is tan a plus b plus c equal to 0, then we can say tan a plus tan b plus tan c is equal to tan a into tan b into tan c. This is an important note. To prove this sum, we want to make a critical situation. What is the formula? Tan 2a. This also you need to learn. Tan 2a is nothing but 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. This is a double angle in the tan 2a formula. This also you need to know. Tan 2a is nothing but 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. Now we can enter inside the sum. First, before entering sum, now I am going to assumption. Let I am going to assume x is equal to tan a, comma, y is equal to tan b, comma, z is equal to tan c. This is our assumption. This is the first assumption we made. X is equal to tan a, y is equal to tan b, z is equal to tan c. The given one value. What is the given value? Is nothing but x plus y plus z is equal to x, y, z. The given one value. What is the value? X plus y plus z is equal to x, y, z. So what is x we have assumed? The x we have assumed is nothing but tan a, right? Tan a. Y what you assume? Tan b. What is z? Nothing but tan c. What is x, y, z? Tan a into tan b into tan c. So what we have got? Tan a plus tan b plus tan c is equal to tan a tan b tan c. So this only we have got. Tan a tan b tan c is equal to tan a tan b tan b c. When this result will occur, if tan of a plus b plus c equals 0 only, if tan of a plus b plus 0 only, we can account this result. So as this result we got, we can write this result. What we can write? Tan of a plus b plus c is equal to 0, which implies if what I told, if this result tan of a plus b equals 0, then we can say this one. Now we got this one, so we can say this one. That's all. We got this result, so this result will be equal. Tan of a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So we have written tan of a plus b plus c equal to 0. So in spite of using a, b, c, I am going to multiply with 2 for each and every one. How I can do? This is the first result. Second result I am going to provide tan 2a plus tan 2b plus tan 2c is equal to tan 2a tan 2b into tan 2c, which implies, how can I write? Tan 2a plus 2b plus 2c is equal to 0. We can, in spite of a, b, c, I am going to 2a, 2b, 2c. Now I am going to take LHS. What is LHS here? 2x by 1 minus x square plus 2y by 1 minus y square plus 2z by 1 minus z square. So what we assumed, this is LHS 2. What is x? We have assumed nothing but tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a, because x no. Next 2. What is y? We assumed tan b divided by 1 minus tan square b plus 2. What is z? Tan z divided by 1 minus tan square c. Tan square a, sorry, not z, this is c no. 2 tan c. 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a, 2 tan divided by 1 minus tan square b, 2 tan divided by 1 minus tan square c. So what is this formula? This formula we normally we written 2 tan divided by 1 minus tan square is nothing but tan 2a plus this one is tan 2b. I written the formula here. No, tan 2 is 2 tan divided by 1 minus tan square, the same formula here, plus 2 tan divided by 1 minus is nothing but tan 2c. So tan 2a plus tan 2b plus tan 2c. Where is tan 2a tan 2a plus tan 2b plus tan 2 is nothing but what I got? Tan 2a into tan 2b into tan 2c. So tan 2a into tan 2b into tan 2c. Once again we need to follow what is tan 2a. Tan 2a we can write the same formula, 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a into tan 2b, 2 tan b divided by 1 minus tan square b, tan 2c, 2 tan c divided by 1 minus tan square c, 2. What is the tan a we assumed? X. 1 minus, what is tan square a? X square. This one is 2y, 1 minus y square, 2z, 1 minus z square. This only we need to prove. This is nothing but RHS. Hence proved.